it's Jan from Jets GPS. We're very busy at the moment with multicam solutions for HGVs. We're finding increasingly with things like FORS and CLOCS, accreditations that companies are having to go for to win business. A dashcam isn't enough for the HGV fleets. So what we thought we'd do, we set up here in the office. I thought we'd give you a quick run through the kit and the software so you get a feel for what you can achieve. Okay, so this is our demo box. This is the brains of the system. This is your DVR. We can put various storage in, but 1 terabyte tends to be enough. This one's got 4 cameras on. We can take up to 24 if you'd ever need that. This one has got 2 sides, a forward facing, and in this instance a reverse. And what we've done on this, we've wired them in to simulate the indicators, things like that. And you can see here it's feeding through to a monitor which would be there for the driver. A key thing for FORS is covering the blind side. So in this instance we put on the indicator, and the near side for the driver, his blind side, that's going to come on, so he's going to be able to see any cyclists coming through there. It's pretty simple once it's in. The brains of it all, I mean, for the drivers, all they're going to see is a button there that they can press if they need to let you know something in real time. Now back in the office, all that footage is going to come through. It's a couple of seconds delay, but nothing significant. Come through onto here, and you're going to be able to dial in there in real time and see what's going on. You can have it on a big screen. It does some basic tracking as well. And what you can also do is go back and pull off the footage. So if you have an accident, you can get the footage from all 4 cameras from 360 degrees of that vehicle. You're going to get that footage within minutes of it happening to get to your insurer so that they can handle the claim effectively to protect your premium. So this is it. Would love to show you and go through it in more detail. If it's something that you're interested in, please give us a call on 01254 914 538 and we'll be happy to help you. That's Jan from Jets GPS.